So you want to make more sales with your high-ticket affiliate marketing business or your first sale, right? Today we'll go through exactly how you can do that with free traffic and how you can optimize your Facebook profile for more leads and sales. Imagine having a few $1,000 or $2,000 commissions coming in every month. What would that do for your life? Maybe you could stay home with your kids, take a vacation, or just be able to pay the bills on time. So let's get started and make that happen for you right now. So first of all, just in case you don't know who I am, my name is Karen Marrow. I'm 57 years old now. I'm mother of 2 beautiful daughters. I'm married and grew up in Iowa. Lived in Texas for a long time, but right now live right outside of Las Vegas. I've been in the healthcare industry for 33 years as a physical therapist and have my master's degree. I started online 13 years ago because I decided I wanted more freedom and to make more money and just have more time. So I want to ask you, what's the reason you decided to make money online? I'd love to hear. Just leave a comment below, and that way I can get to know you a little bit better. I've tried a lot of business models out there: network marketing, drop shipping, CPA marketing, all kinds of business opportunities, you name it. But it was a few years ago that I fell in love with affiliate marketing, specifically high-ticket affiliate marketing. I've made sales of $11,000 in a day multiple times and earned commissions of $7,500 in a day and had multiple $10,000 months. But maybe you can relate to this. It wasn't consistent. So maybe in 1 month it'd be a few thousand, just up and down. And it wasn't until I learned what I'm going to share with you that it all changed for me. What's the goal for today? Today's training will accomplish 3 key objectives as I want to present and show to you what I've learned thus far in my own experiences that have really allowed me to have success. First of all, high-ticket affiliate marketing versus low-ticket and why high-ticket is better, I believe. How to choose the right offer, how to create a system to capture leads, and then traffic, of course, Facebook versus YouTube, TikTok, and the differences between each, and why Facebook is the simplest method for beginners, and how optimizing your profile can turn it into a lead generating machine. Oh, and by the way, if you want to learn my #1 recommendation for making money online, that'll be the first link in the description below this video. You can go ahead and click on it and check it out if you'd like. How to choose the right offer. High-ticket offers tend to be $1,000, $2,000 or more that you earn per sale. And the offer really needs to resonate with you, I would say, to your core, because what I can tell you is I've been in a lot of business opportunities that had no value at all in the products, and I really didn't believe in it, and I only did it just to make money. I'm not proud of that, but that's what happens a lot of times online. So I would say something that works better in your favor is something that you've used yourself and you know inside and out. So for example, what if you recommended a high-skill restaurant to your friend? They had terrible service, and then you told them that you just heard about it but never dined there. How would that make you feel? So you want to definitely make sure you understand the product, you use it, and you really believe in it. There's 3 main types of categories that you'll make the most money in, and that's health, wealth, and relationships. And that's because those are the areas that people have the most problems in. So in the beginning, I would say don't worry about getting super narrow and finding your niche. Just pick one of those 3 main categories. You can start a little broader at the top, and once you master skills, then over time you can narrow it down to your target audience even more. And speaking of your target audience, you don't want to market to everybody. Consider what brought you into the affiliate marketing space, because you are your target audience. So someone who is just like you would be the type of person that you would be marketing to. You also want to know if it's something that will allow you to grow your business, not just a business opportunity that will be here today and gone tomorrow, but something that will actually teach you skills and help other people in the process. You also want to know if there's a proven track record, that you can get results with the product and you've seen other people get results as well. So how do you create a system to capture leads? This entire part should really be 10% of what you do and 90% of it's mental. And I truly believe that. We'll explain that here in a minute. But you want to create a funnel, one that you've created yourself, or if you don't know how to do that, just outsource it and have it created for you. Just in case you've not heard of Fiverr, this is a place you can go and have certain tasks done for you. For example, if you wanted to have a lead capture page created for you, I would definitely recommend something professional. Like you can get it for as little as $15. This is an example. This is my lead capture page. And no, I didn't make 7 figures yet. I'm co-branded with my mentor, but this is what it looks like. And when someone clicks on that, they get the free training, they put in their name and their email, and then they go onto my email list and they get email follow-ups from me. And the funnel directs users to take a very specific action. So Again, my funnel gives a free training in exchange for an email address, and they also have access to our private Facebook group. Just let the funnel do the selling for you, and then what you need to do is learn to master sending traffic to that funnel. And again, you tie that to an email autoresponder that has follow-up messages. And when you hear the term money's in the list, it's actually in the relationship that you build through emailing that you can make the most money. And the mistake that I see a lot of people making is just sending people straight to an offer rather than capturing their email, because people do not tend to buy on the first exposure, especially high ticket offers, and it requires nurturing and trust and building that relationship. Also on the back end, if you have a sales team to close the sales for you, that is ideal, because people tend to want to talk to somebody before they make a large purchase, like a high ticket product. And that way, again, you need to just focus on getting traffic to the lead capture page. And then on the back end, if you have a sales team to close the sales for you, that is ideal. I put this in here because I believe this is truly the most important thing, is that we are transforming people's lives. But first, we have to transform their minds. So in your marketing, you're going to use different stories in your content to help people overcome their limiting beliefs and to help them understand things they don't understand. So 80% of your content is value-based, used to smash people's limiting beliefs, stopping them from making a purchase. And your content also is used to smash their objections as well as their limiting beliefs. And then you reframe their beliefs with a new empowering belief that will allow them to move closer to becoming a customer. What I can tell you is, I think the thing that holds most people back is they've had failures before and they don't believe in themselves. And my mentor, who has made millions of dollars, said he didn't actually believe in himself until he made $1 million. And the thing that will develop your belief is taking daily action and building your skills. So let's talk about traffic. There's two types of traffic. There's free traffic or organic and paid ads. But my recommendation is to start out with organic traffic in the beginning, because paid traffic can get very costly, especially if you're new and you don't know how to optimize and manage your ads, essentially throwing money down the drain. I've been there myself. It's not fun. I have spent a lot of money on paid traffic and didn't have anything to show for it. So I would make some money, then I would spend it on paid traffic, and that's not a way to run a business. So organic traffic is creating content on platforms like Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. Blogging is more of a long-term form of traffic, but it can generate leads and sales. I would say the fastest way to make a sale with high-ticket affiliate marketing is Facebook. But probably not the way that you're thinking, and you have to learn how to do it correctly, how to create the right kind of content and attract the right kind of people. So Facebook for high ticket offers, it's, I think, primarily the best choice. A lot of people I know do make sales with TikTok, but Facebook, generally you can cherry pick your target audience, because Facebook groups are the best way to find people in your niche. You can search it. I guarantee there is literally a Facebook group for everything out there. And Facebook demographics tend to skew more towards the older population, 30 and up, which can afford high ticket offers. So it's easier to find people that are more aware of affiliate marketing, and then find your target audience. When you optimize your profile, which I'll show you here in a minute, your Facebook content can literally be a lead generating machine. I get leads every single day from Facebook. You want to transform your Facebook page, not a fan page, but actually your Facebook profile, into a business page. And what you can do is create another profile for your friends and family, and then just use the one that you have currently as your business media page. And again, I'll show you how I optimized my Facebook profile. Now, TikTok and YouTube, I'm grouping these together because they tend to have similarities. Both are cold traffic, and people just stumble upon you for the first time. Maybe they go through search, but most of the time they don't know you, they don't know anything about you, and maybe they have some sort of interest in affiliate marketing, but the quality of the people coming through these traffic sources are generally a little bit less, meaning less targeted. TikTok does very well with low ticket courses, but I've seen people make high ticket sales. In fact, my mentor made a high ticket sale within 3 days of getting on TikTok. Now, he does have experience, but yet it is possible. In YouTube, you can get the same type of cold traffic, but with more long-form content, longer videos. And I can tell you from my personal experience, YouTube has been my best traffic source besides Facebook. And both of these can be very successful. You just want to make sure you dial into your targeting and have very specific types of people that you're talking to. Back to Facebook for just a second. If you have not jumped on Facebook Reels, you need to do that right now. It is super hot, and that and Instagram Reels. And what you can do is take your content and create it on TikTok, because their app is a lot easier to use in my opinion. And once you create it in there, then you can take the watermark off, because you don't want to repost this on Facebook and Instagram with the watermark from TikTok. And there's apps that you can use. I use Repost Tick. You simply just copy the link and then put in this app, and it takes the watermark off. You save it to your phone, and then you upload it to Facebook Reels and Instagram Reels. And I know all kinds of people who are making at least $10,000 a month just through TikTok traffic, who have gone over to Instagram. I know people who have 20, 30 conversations going on a day from Facebook Reels. And I did create a YouTube video on Facebook Reels. You definitely want to check that out. It's got a lot of great information. I'm going to post that in the description below this video. So let's talk about how to optimize your Facebook profile. This is what it looks like on mobile. You can see I did have the click here for free training, a little bit covered up with my profile picture, but you want to have a professional banner. You want to have a profile picture that looks professional as well, where you're smiling, has good lighting. You're going to have your tagline. And then what I've done is that if you just give people one option of where to click, that's best. Then if you have everything like where you live and all kinds of other things that they don't really need to know, because this is a lead generating machine for you, is your Facebook profile. So what I did right here where it says Instagram, rather than putting my Instagram link there, I just wrote click the link below, and that way they only have one thing to look at, one thing to click on right here. And I'm actually in the process of creating another Facebook profile banner, because here's the mistake that I made on here. And I want to tell you this so you don't make the same mistake. Whatever it is that your product is, you don't want to say what it is, you want to say what it does for the person. This is basically telling someone what the product is, not necessarily what it can do for their life. So that's how I changed my Facebook banner that I'm doing as we speak. So you can come back and look at my Facebook profile here in a little while and see how I've changed it. And I have my contact information below this video so you can find me on Facebook. But you want to have it optimized here, so whatever your free training is or whatever you're giving away for free in exchange for someone's name and email to get them on your email list, when you click here, you'll have a description over here, and then it'll take them right here to click on this link. That will take them to the free training, and then someone will opt into my email list, and that's how I get leads every single day. And you want to make sure that it does look okay on mobile, and see this wasn't exactly optimized, but you want to make sure that it doesn't cover up the writing or whatever you have there, so that it looks good on mobile as well as on laptop. But I want to tell you this, if someone is on a laptop and you leave a link right here, they won't be able to click it. They can on mobile, so what I would say is don't put a link right here in the intro. Just have something like this, link in bio with arrows down, and that way they'll scroll down here. Because if you put a link right here, they will not be able to click it, unless, again, they're on mobile. So I would just leave it off, so that way on both mobile and laptop, they'll just scroll down here and click it. Hopefully that makes sense. I hope you take these tips and go out there and make your first sale with high-ticket affiliate marketing and have the kind of success that you've been wanting to have online. Speaking of making money from home, let's continue the learning with this next video, 5 reasons why you may be failing with affiliate marketing. I think you'll get a ton of value from it. Go ahead and click here. It's getting started right now.